back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Subscribe down below. So today I'm gonna go grocery shopping and then make my favorite dinner lately, and it is called French onion chicken. It's so good. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make that, as well as take you along grocery shopping and show you my haul. We have been battling the stomach flu around here for the past like 4 or 5 days, because Derek got it first and then he gave it to me and then I got it. So it was brutal these past few days. I haven't been sick like that in years, so it was really rough. And then today was the first day I woke up and I feel good, and I felt like I need to be productive and like I feel like myself again. So the only thing that hasn't come back is my appetite, and I only feel like eating certain things still. So toast and eggs have sounded really good to me, so I have some eggs and toast that I'm going to be making for breakfast. Then I'm going to do a little bit of makeup, and then I'm going to head out and I'm going to go to the big Walmart, and Winners is there too. It's a little further than my normal Walmart, and gas is getting so pricey and I only have the truck. So I was kind of going back and forth, like, should I go, should I not go? But I've been in the house for like a week now almost, and I haven't been anywhere, so I feel like why not just go and see some things. That's how exciting my life is. And then it's Thursday now, so I'm gonna probably do my nails and self-tan and just get ready for the weekend, even though we don't do much. I just like to do that. I like to get my house ready too. I like to put my clothes away, clean the house, get everything ready so that we can just have a nice relaxing weekend. And there still is snow, but I feel like this will be the last weekend of snow because it's going to be really warm on Sunday, and I feel like it's all going to start melting. So that means that it is the last weekend for snowmobiling also. So we're probably going to go down to my parents on Saturday. So I just want to be like all ready and have a bunch of food ready and get back on track with my eating. I've literally only ate carbs basically because that's all I could stomach. So I want to get back on track with my protein. I also haven't worked out in a few days, so I'm hoping to get in a workout today. I don't know how that will be because excessive like walking or anything like makes my stomach turn. So I don't know if I'll be able to get like a full workout in today, but that's okay. So just, yeah, getting back on track after being down for a few days. So let's eat some breakfast. Okay, update. I did take Ruger outside, but after I ate breakfast, my stomach started turning. So I want to do groceries, but I don't think I'm gonna go to the big store because I just don't feel like it anymore. But there is still lots of stores in my town, so might check a few of them out. Have fun, bud. Okay, I'm back. Very successful shopping trip. I wanted to stay under $100 at the grocery store, and I did. And I went to a different store, so I always find that a little bit exciting. So I'll show you what I got. I got, this is everything. I got this 2% milk. 2 things of Sweet Baby Ray's. This is our favorite barbecue sauce, so we ran out, and usually we have so much in the cupboard, so I don't know how that happened. 2 things of cream, or 1 thing of cream and mushroom, 2 of cream of chicken. This is for tonight's recipe. Laurie's seasoned salt. All the people that I watch in the States use this on like everything, so I really wanted to try it. It is pretty high in sodium, but it's basically just, I think what it is like garlic powder, onion, salt, and pepper kind of like in one. Looks kind of like weird. I don't know. Hopefully it's good because that's a big bottle. Rice Krispies. I've been seeing this trend where people like eat these as a pre-workout because it's really fast absorbing like sugar and carbs and stuff. So I just wanted to try that. Ranch style seasoning. I just like to have this on hand. Baby spinach for my smoothies. I got some rice cakes, 2 things of English muffins. We usually buy these at Costco, but we've been going through these like crazy. These potatoes were kind of like in a markdown section because they're beginning to sprout, so hopefully I'll use these tomorrow night. And then this bacon ranch salad, this is my favorite. It's so good. And I love it, so I'm gonna have this maybe tonight. Then this stag chili, obviously like canned chili is probably not the best for you, but I saw this recipe I wanted to try with this, so I got that, a tomato, some avocado, 2 naan breads, 1 pizza, cheese for tonight's dinner, and I got naan bread pizzas, some cheddar jalapeno chips. These are amazing. These are so good. I'm not really like a chip person, but I really like these. Vanilla yogurt, bananas. They were giving out rapid tests, so I just got some for COVID. I usually get raspberries, but they had strawberries on sale, so I got strawberries. I'm gonna have to cut these up though, because if I don't cut them up, I let them go bad. Pepperoni pizza. I ate our frozen pizza, so I just wanted to get a new one. These are $3, so I just love having them on hand just for a quick meal. And then this is all the meat I got. I got these breakfast sausages. I'm probably just gonna throw this thing in the freezer and just let it freeze until we want it. Some turkey bacon. I'm gonna be using this right now actually to make some BLTs. I got this pulled pork. I love these pre-seasoned ones. They're so good and so easy. And then some ground beef. I'm also just gonna throw this in the freezer. So all 3 of these actually will probably go in the freezer. And then I did get a couple things at the dollar store. I got some a microwave dish cover. We've been needing one of these forever, so I finally bought one. I got this, and I'm gonna put my tea bags in it. So that's what that's gonna be for. And then this is for ice in the freezer. We used to have a container for ice, and I have no idea what happened to it, so I got a new one. This is for Ruger's Food. It's a dog scoop. I have my 1 cup measuring cup in there right now, and I'm sick of not having it, so I just got him his own. And then I got this hair curls and waves. It was really cheap, so I was like, whatever, I'll try it, see what happens. I love trying new products for my curls because usually nothing works, but it's always like a gamble. So that was everything that I got today. Here's my sandwich. It's falling apart, but I have turkey bacon, cheese, tomato, mayo, and lettuce on there. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. The night has come. We are making French onion chicken. This recipe is bomb. It is so good. I'm so excited. So I have some butter. Oops, I have some butter in the pan here, and then I'm just going to dump all these onions that I just chopped up in there, and then turn it on low and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar and let these caramelize. And while they're doing that, I'm just gonna cut up the chicken. Probably should use the white onion, but this is fine. And then on my chicken, I got this Laurie's seasoned salt today, and I'm excited to try it. I've never tried it before, so I'm gonna put that on the chicken, but let these babies caramelize up. Okay, so I chopped up all my chicken, and then I'm going to add on the Laurie's and just season it up really good because no one likes plain chicken. I don't know if I'll be able to taste this seasoning in the chicken. It's probably really gross. So I might have to like try it in something else later, but so now that that's seasoned, I'm just gonna leave it here for a sec until our onions cook. That is one thing I will say about this recipe, is that it does take quite a while because you have to caramelize the onions, and then it has a high cooking time as well because you're cooking the rice in the dish. So this is a meal that will take longer. I would think that you could probably meal prep 1 or 2 of these meals and put them in your freezer and take them out, or even cook on like Saturday, you could cook or Sunday, cook your onions ahead of time, because that is what takes the longest. I hate waiting for those to caramelize, but it's worth it in the end. So I just have this casserole dish that I sprayed, and then I have my instant white rice. In the video I watched, the girl didn't say how much rice to use, so I'm just using 2 cups of uncooked rice. So it looks around the same that she has, and it's 4 serving sizes. So, and then I'm just gonna lay it out like this, and then pile the chicken on top. just gonna lay this out. She has hers in like strips, almost like chicken strips, but I feel like it's more pleasant to eat in bite-sized pieces. But you can do whatever you feel like. This is just how I'm doing it. This is 2 chicken breasts, by the way. So now for the liquid, I'm gonna add in 2 cups of beef broth. This is gonna make your rice so flavorful. And then with that, I'm gonna add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And then mix it all around. And this is gonna go on top, so you just wanna make sure that it's all mixed in together. You can also use a whisk if you want. Okay, so now my onions are looking like this, and I'm just gonna put this mixture in just to heat it up a little and dissolve some of that chicken. Just gonna let that sit for a minute, and then we're just gonna pour it right over the chicken. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna cover that with tin foil. And I have the oven set at 375. It's probably so annoying that you can hear me. I'm sure it's all covered. So the oven's set at 375. I'm gonna put that in for about 20-25 minutes. She said, the girl in the video said 45, but she also used regular rice, not 5-minute rice, and then we have to take it out again and like add some toppings, so to make sure the chicken is cooked. So I will tune back in around 25 minutes. Okay, so I just took this out and it's looking really good. Then I'm going to top it with these French fried onions. These make it like, oh, these I could just eat straight out of the bag. They're so good. You don't have to do this, but I just really like these, so we're gonna do it, you know? And then we're gonna top with some cheese. We bought this cheese blend, and it has too much Parmesan in it, so we really like don't like it. So I feel like if I put like a bit on and then put another kind of cheese, it might mask it a little bit. So I also have a pizza cheese, which is always a winner. Then we're gonna leave it uncovered, put it back in, maybe sprinkle a little more of these on top just for like aesthetic purposes. There we go. Put that back in for around 10 minutes. Doesn't look that good, but it tastes so good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.